abusia ye northern region la. Ye ba no mini abema ya. Onu se mini abema de yo sinante no. Hu kakra. But nine and saying na we are papa nyi so. Enti amenko we meeting no di nkoma kakra. Ona ante saying. That's saying. That's saying. You're frozen. Huh? Jibril. If you're Jibril. What's the side of him? What's it? Oh, village now. Do you know who we have to the village one about? Do you understand P? And do you understand English? So you walk the village to this place? Yusokada. So where are you going right now? You want to go home? To the village? So you are going to pick Okada or what? You came to do here. What did you do here? Yeah? You came to beg small. Ah. So which side do you beg? So you walk from here, then you beg when you get money then. Jibril, right? Jibril. Wow, what a nice name. I don't know. Can you go here and come here? Let me see how you are. Oh, okay. Wow, so this is how my brother here works. I think he said he's called Jibril and he's 29 years. We went to the Volta region and then the northern region, and then on our way coming back we realized he was walking beside the road, and then according to him he lives in a nearby village here. So he came to this place to beg him money. Very fortunate when he was coming, he got to Okada, but he was now crawling from this place to the next town. What's the name of this town? Bupe. Yeah. And the name of your town is called what? Al-Hassan. Akura. So it's a village. Is it the next village? Is it the next village on the roadside? Al-Hassan Akura.
First one, second one, third one.
So you would have crawled to that place. Walk on, let me see. Actually, I don't have much of me. Alright, let me see. Your case has touched me. I'm giving you 50 Ghana cedis, okay? Keep this. Alright? I'm fine about you. Huh?
No.
Okay, someone is also giving you money. You choose some coins. Alright, 20 pesos, 40 pesos. 50. You have a wife, yeah, and she's pregnant.
Yeah, this one I born the twins. Boys are here. The third one is pregnant. So.
You, how many wives do you have? You have one wife or two wives? One. And already she has twins. Yeah. And then she's pregnant again. No, speak louder, I can't hear you.
I said that if you didn't come here, I would get money to.
If you shouldn't have met you, wouldn't have gotten money for her to eat. Oh, okay. Do you have a phone? Yeah. Okay, I'll take your contact, alright? So, alright. Let me give you my contact so that. Do you have mobile money? But I think when you come to town, yeah, I'll post this video for you. Anyone that wishes to help you, when you come to town, I'll let you go to a vendor, mobile money person here. Then you use MTN or Vodafone? MTN. So you go there and then I will allow cash out for her to give you money, okay? So since your wife is pregnant, okay. My name is Clinton, right? This is unfortunate. Sorry to, right? Okay, so abusia member 2 me bra yi awokwanso ye ba both northern region Tamale ye ba ye interview ba ko e wa hanom na ye ba na ehia me bra ya mutimu hu se sabi o wia odnensa wia from sa nti me hu nam se na de asem nie na me hia ntisia na ye gina ye mfie 29 years owo yire on na tiwo Your wife too, is she disabled like you? She's normal person. Okay. Nti na me charge ye na wife no so me ro no wo honom no one na wo baako. Yeah, I say one na wo ba one na nyem baako no na entafo ni wo tese wo matu. Na sesi am no kasa so no all can say enkra no so nyem. Say she's pregnant, right? Nti all just say enkra no so ba na san so nyem bi entafo na chi. Can you see a share no ha no ma me mom de kakra mo wor ne aka ho 50 Ghana cedis me de ma na say on fan koma na yere na fere on infant aduane eni. I mean, we say nche bia na be san ba ha ye ba ha me number ma I'll call you, okay? So that
where's your phone? I don't have credit. So
you don't have credit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Give me my phone. So you said Alas and Kurum. So what work do you do? You only go around to be begging. What work do you do? You just come here be begging for. Do you have any gifted work? Can you do something on your own? What can you do on your own? You can't do anything. I want you to walk. Walk to me. Just walk to me and let me see how you walk. Okay. So don't sano. As soon as what on nine as you will sano so yes sir. Is that not it? Why have you putting your leg on your hand? Come again. So that your money won't okay. That's great. All right. So I'll take your contacts, okay? In case of anything, I'll communicate with you, all right? Just take care, all right? And go and give the money to your wife. Don't go and misuse it, all right? Since she's pregnant, I was trying to give it to you, but since your wife is pregnant, go and share it with her, all right? This is my number. I'll definitely come here. This is my number, okay? So you can buy credits, and then whatever comes up, I'll call you, all right? Okay, so have a nice day. May God be with you, okay? And then take care of yourself, all right? Keep this. I hope at the right time we'll definitely get in touch. Can you sit on a wheelchair? Can you sit on a wheelchair? Put me transit. Can you sit on a wheelchair? Who go Toby? Nah, I went.
5 million. Outside.
What's okay?
That first month.
Okay.
Now I'm going to go and say I'm going to be watermelon.
I go to watermelon. But then they would meet na so right.
Yeah, and that's what I say.
I say one. Okay, but any appeal one. See your can what? You could be one. Whatever comes up, we will contact you. Okay. All right. So take care of yourself, right? Right.
God bless you.
God bless you too. Have a nice day. All right. May God be with you. So you can pick a car and go. All right. You're going. All right. So I will see my brother Jebro. Now I'm busy. Now I'm not come. Because you see, I know come here. Ama onante kakra. I heard you see nante. Say no nante. 20 pesos da kofa. Say no nante. Onante free end honum. Na oho besreska wanyeska. Na onante free honum ma dey ko. I say next 3 towns ahead of us. And your small road. We hoping say we will get in touch with him. Okay, I be fancy here come, but any person, Bia no Bia adwin say Sabi. Yet ni kwe bibi. Enti ya mana fu kada na okọ. Na yo so ya kai de nam no na ye ko. Yankopon show bibia keep on following us. Mrepomo no yenim say we na asem so be kun bia koma. We ya plan say ba be any interview hia na okwan ho. Ana ye no ebetwetwe nkomo. Ye approach no. Lord na hia asem to yenim. Ti wo say ope wheelchair na wife so nyam. Enti am fancy a we the short one. Yankopon show bibia no nko bibia. On ma yan kwatenten no ma yan hoden. Ye mfanye na adwuma. My name is the Bones Man.